dude. This is why we watch liquidations all day. And the only reason I can watch liquidations is because me and ChatGPT code together. All right. Okay, I'm gonna copy this one over. Wait, but first I want to get this. Let's get this template here. I want to call this something else. I love this template we built, dude. Every single day I blow my own mind. So I hope this is helpful for you too, dude, because I don't know. I just love this. I just love how we find new things every day. And we build new cool things every day, dude. Like this little loopity-loop that goes through all of our data now, all of our test data. Dude, that's so smooth. That's so smooth. Okay, and it found us a winner here. So, okay, 233% return. Yeah, okay, here we go. So I'm just going to copy this over. And let's make sure that MoonDev's actually not tripping. And it actually shows the 233% return. Does it actually? Okay, let's see it. 233% return. Yeah. Buy and hold is 45. So you can see here. The buy and hold is 45%. The return on this strategy is 233%. And I built it all on YouTube, dude. 1.1.